Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn with Danny. Today we are going to look at very recent update given by Google, that is Android 9 Pie, which is powered by artificial intelligence, that is AI. Google has built Android 9 to learn from its user, which means there's a lot of artificial intelligence baked into this pie. Android 9 comes with features like adaptive battery and adaptive brightness. Adaptive battery prioritizes the battery usage for the apps you use the most, and features like adaptive brightness learns to set brightness whenever necessary. Feature like app actions would learn your actions or the way you use your phone constantly, which will then predict what you'll do next based on your context, and then display the actions on your phone. For example, as soon as you put in headphones, you may see options to call your mom or start YouTube. Another feature here is slices, as in slices of pie. Now, this feature shows relevant information of your favorite app whenever you need it. For example, you type Uber in Google, it will show prices for your ride and estimate time of arrival for a driver. Android 9 comes with new system navigation, which features a single home button. Swipe up from anywhere on the screen to see full preview of recently used apps. Now, in smart text selection, Android will recognize the meaning of text you are selecting and suggest relevant actions. It also comes with many more features baked into it, like dashboard. Now this helps you understand how you are spending time on your device. Another one is called as app timer. Now this one sets time limit on app and grays out icon on home screen when time is out. There's another one called as do not disturb. It silences all visual interruption that pops up on your screen. For example, you are typing an important document or you're watching YouTube and you don't want a pop-up coming from WhatsApp. So you activate Do Not Disturb. There you go. This was just a sneak peek on Android 9.0 Pie. Keep watching our channel for many more updates and news on technology, interesting science, gadgets, and so on. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. We will definitely reply to it. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. That's all for today. This is Danny signing off for now.